let's get you a breaking update as far as Vinesh Fogart is concerned. She's joined the farmers' protest, the protest that is underway at the Shambhu border, and she has been saying that she has given her full support and focus to the farmers. She belongs to the farmers family and is supporting the Kisan protest and saying that we are getting the strength to fight for our rights. However, she hasn't cleared her yet when it comes to if she would be contesting the elections. But right now, as she says, that the focus will be of her and her family would be supporting the ongoing farmer protests.
मैं शुक्रगुजार हूँ परमात्मा की कि ऐसे परिवार में जन्म दिया, उन्होंने ऐसा मौका दिया मुझे कि इस परिवार को मैं जानूँ, इस परिवार के दुख में सुख में हिस्सेदारी नहीं रही मेरी। तो हर जगह पे किसान है ना, वो अगर नाराज है तो आपको हर वो खिलाड़ियों पे भी नुकसान होता है। अगर वो हमें खाना नहीं देंगे, मैं वही बोल रही हूँ, अगर वो हमें खाना नहीं देंगे तो हम कैसे कॉम्पीट करेंगे। लेकिन वो इतने निर्दयी नहीं है, ये खाना देते हैं पूरे देश को। इतना सब होने के बाद भी ये लोग खुले दिल से पूरे देश को आज भी अनाज दे रहे हैं। ये चाहे तो सब कुछ बंद कर सकते हैं देश का, लेकिन बड़ा दिल है इनका बहुत ज्यादा, और सरकार को भी बड़ा दिल दिखाना चाहिए।
Amandeep with us right now. Amandeep, with the ongoing farmer protest, we are told that Vinesh Fogart has also joined the same, saying that she will be seeking the rights of the farmers that they are given to them, that she also comes from a farmer family.
Well, absolutely, Amita. In fact, today, farmers' protest at Shambhu border has completed 200 days. And in fact, to mark this day, Vinesh Fogart has shared the stage. She spoke from the stage of the Kisan agitation. And in fact, she had opened her support to this Kisan Union protest as well. And in fact, she said she also belongs to the farmers' family. And in fact, they are rightly fighting for their own rights. And she has also requested the union government that their demands are the rights of the farmers, and it should be given to them at the earliest. And in fact, meanwhile, she said we are always here to support them, and she visited to Shambhu border as well as to Khanori border as well. So that means the Vinesh Fogart is backing the protest, and she has also mentioned their own agitation, that they were also fighting for their own rights, and in fact nobody else is going to participate in that fight. So they have to fight for their own rights, otherwise the support from the Olympic wrestler Vinesh Fogart
so she's
has
come
already
out in support of the former rights in the movement there, participating as far as these protests that has been taking place at the Shambhu border.